Hi, I'm Nicky Hambleton-Jones. I'm launching a new personal styling course in March 2018, which will be run and tutored by myself. If you're thinking of changing your career and becoming a personal stylist, or just want a completely new, fresh look for yourself, this is a great way to start the new year. The course covers everything you need to know to transform your life and your style, from body shapes, from how to conduct a wardrobe session, how to execute an efficient professional personal shopping session, how to integrate color, accessories, print and texture to give your customers or yourself that real wow factor in terms of the way you dress. You will feel like a completely new, invigorated person once you have completed the course and have all the skills and techniques you need to be a fabulous personal stylist if you choose to change your career. You won't look back. This is the course for you, and I look forward to training and tutoring you on how to be the best stylist that you can be.